Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can see Facebook forgotten password. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Google and write here password manager. So after that, click on first options. And here select the Gmail on which you log in your Facebook. So after selecting the Gmail, and you will see Facebook option, so just click on it and then click on continue. Then it will ask you confirm your PIN. So after confirmation of your PIN, and here you will see I icon. So when you will click on I icon, it show your Facebook forgotten password. So guys, in this way you can see Facebook forgotten password. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.